Hey, what is going on, you guys? Comedy Punk here with another video today, and this is how you lubricate your Rubik's Cube. And I've already lubricated mine, but I'll lubricate a little bit more. But all you need is just some simple hair clipper oil. If you have your own clippers, or if you just have the oil laying around, what you do is you just pop off the little things right here. You put a little oil right there. Oh, too much, a little bit, but put that, and then you just snap your Rubik's Cube back together, and then you move it around and there, and you will see this, but it's a little okay, so then I'm gonna just do an easy algorithm. But yeah, you guys are to lubricate your Rubik's Cube in like 30 seconds with some almost free stuff.